drill in the demon like every day, a few logical reasoning questions, focus on getting them right. Don't hit submit until you think you've got it right. And then get pissed when it turns red. When you actually miss a question, you need to be maybe a little bit tougher with yourself, because you had to make 2 mistakes in order to miss that question. You picked a wrong answer. That's one mistake. That answer did not correctly answer the question and you picked it. So that's a mistake that you've made. You need to figure out why you picked that wrong answer. But you also need to figure out why you didn't pick the correct answer, which is a separate mistake. There might be a wrong answer that's attractive, but I'm going to read all 5 answers, and hopefully the correct answer is also going to be attractive. Then I'll have to compare the two, and then there might be something wrong about the wrong answer that I was about to pick, or there's going to be something conclusively right about the right answer that I maybe wasn't going to pick. And I'd have to fuck up both of those in order to miss one question. So when you're reviewing, think about that. You got to really dig into each one of those mistakes. So what is it that was right about the right answer that you didn't pick, and why didn't you pick it? What was wrong about the wrong answer that you did pick, and why did you pick it? And you got to really get in there and make sure that, it might be a helpful thought experiment to imagine, could I explain to Nathan's satisfaction? Could I explain to super mean, scary Nathan why the right answer is right, and why I didn't pick it, and why the wrong answer is wrong, and why I did pick it? We'd have to have a little conversation, right?
Mm.
And I'm very hypercritical. And so, that's a good measure of whether you really got maximum value out of reviewing that question. If there's a written explanation, read it carefully. If there's a video explanation or multiple video explanations, consider watching those. It takes a little bit longer, but you get the benefit of the discussion when you watch those videos. But, it's okay if you spend 30 minutes reviewing one logical reasoning question that you missed. Most students don't do that. Most students just like do a timed section and then kind of half-ass review. Oh, the B, yeah, okay, yeah, B, yeah, I see, yeah. That's, and really the only reason why they think they understand it is because they know that the credited answer is B. So all they've really done there is just look at the answer key and say, oh, well, yeah, it's B. Oh, of course it's B. Well, not of course it's B. Why did you miss the question? Tell me about those 2 mistakes that you made. How are you going to fix that next time? I think it's probably just something to do with the quality of your review.